Hi, welcome to the second session of the series How to Get 7 Plus Band in IELTS in Under 30 Minutes. My name is Syed Ali Hussain and today we'll be discussing the listening part of IELTS. The listening part of IELTS is usually the first part of IELTS test. Total time is 30 minutes with an additional 10 minutes to transfer your answers to the answer sheet. There are 4 sections in the listening part. Each section has 10 questions and total questions are 40. Each question carries 1 mark and total marks are 40. The types of questions can be multiple choice questions, label a plan, map or a diagram, fill in a form, complete a table, complete a flowchart, and give short answers. In section 1, you will hear a conversation between two people. It tests your basic English skills like names and numbers. In section 2, you will hear one person talking, which is called a monologue. It will be on a general everyday topic, for example, a speech on how to book a tour. In section 3, you will hear anywhere between 2 to 4 speakers having a conversation in an academic situation. For example, you may hear a teacher and a student discussing an assignment or a group of students chatting about an exam. In section 4, you will hear one person speaking about an academic subject. For example, listening to a lecturer giving a lecture in a lecture hall. You will have extra time at the end of each section to check your answers and to look at the questions in the next section before it is played. You will have 10 minutes at last to transfer your answers to answer sheet in paper-based IELTS or 2 minutes for computer-based. The key to getting a high mark is understanding the layout of exam. The second key is to practice more and more and beware of traps and distractors. Sometimes the synonyms can be used. Always read, underline keywords and try to predict the answer before the recording is played. Utilize time cautiously, which is provided at each section before and after. The next lectures will be on the reading part, the writing part and speaking part of IELTS. Thank you very much.